हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, आज आपण नववीचा सेट्स हा लेसन पाहणार आहे. सेट्स म्हणजे काय तर एखाद्या समूहामध्ये वस्तूंचं केलेलं कलेक्शन. म्हणजेच काय तर आपण डेफिनेशन पाहतोय आता. इफ वी कॅन डेफिनेटली अँड क्लिअरली डिसाइड्स द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ अ गिवन कलेक्शन देन दॅट कलेक्शन इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ सेट. म्हणजे फॉर एक्झाम्पल आता एक्झाम्पल आपण काय देऊ शकतो की नंबर ऑफ स्टार्स इन द स्काय. दिस इज द वन ऑफ द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ अ सेट्स and name of set is given by only a capital letter. Which are that? Capital letters means capital A, capital B, capital C or capital D. Like that we can give that name from A to Z. And number or a member or element of the sets are shown by a small letters like small a, small b, small c up to a Z letter. Let we see some examples of the set. Here see a n is equal to curly bracket 1 2 3 4 dash 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 dash. Means what is this is the set of natural number. Means n is the natural number which are starting from the number 1. Now second, w is equal to in curly bracket 0 1 2 3 4 up to n number. Means this is the set of whole numbers which are starting from the value 0. Let's see the difference between this natural number and whole number. Natural numbers are started from the 1 and whole numbers are started from 0. Now let's see next set. Next set is the integer. I is the integers. In this set we see the numbers like -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Means in this integer number we see positive and negative numbers with the 0. What we see? Positive number as well as negative number with the 0. These numbers are called as a integer numbers. Now Q is the set of rational number. Q is a set of rational number and R is a set of real number. Means rational number and real numbers are shown by a letter capital Q and capital R. Now we have to see in the methods of writing a sets. How to write sets and which are the methods of that sets writing. First method is the listing method or a roster method. Listing method means in this method we can write a data in the set by a listing method. Means here is the one of the example set of odd numbers. Set of odd number means here we can give the name of this set by a capital letter A. And what is the set? Set is the odd number means 3, 5, 7 and 9. These are the odd numbers of the set. Next is what? Set of even number. Set of even number means we write the set number by letter capital letter B. And which are that even number? Even numbers are 2, 4, 6 and 8. Like this we can write sets. Now see the second method. Second method is the rule method or a set builder method. In this method we write set like this. A is equal to curly bracket x slash x belongs n comma x is less than 1 or x is less than 10. Means 1 is less than x and 10 is less than x. In this, how to write this set? A is a set of all x such that. Means A is a set of all x such that x belongs to n. Means x belongs to n. N is what? N is the natural number and this n x is natural number between 1 to 10. Means x is a natural number between 1 to 10. Next is what? B is equal to, in curly bracket, x slash x is a prime number between 1 and 10. Means B contains all the prime numbers of x. B contains all prime numbers of x such that x is a prime number, and this prime number is between 1 and 10. 1 to 10. Now we are studying practice set 1.1. First question is what? Write the following sets in a roster form. Write the following sets in a roster form. Means listing method and roster method. These are the two names of the first method. So what is the first question? First question is set of even numbers. Set of even number. Here we write set name by a capital letter A, and which are that even number? Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8. Next question is what? Set of even prime number from 1 to 50. Set of even prime number from 1 to 50. So we write here set name by a capital letter B is equal to even prime number from 1 to 50. Which is the even prime number from 1 to 50? 2. 2 is the even number. Also it is a prime number between 1 to 50. None other than this 2. So answer is what? B is equal to, in curly bracket, 2. Set of negative integer. Third question is what? Set of negative integer. So we write set name by capital letter C is equal to, in curly bracket, negative integer means what? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 1, 2 and minus 1. Okay, these are the negative integers. Like that we write number of negative integer in this C set. Fourth question is what? 7 basic sounds of a sargam. 7 basic sounds of a sargam means sur. So we write sets name by a letter capital S. In that, which are the 7 basic sounds? These are sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni and sa. These are the 7 basic sounds of the sargam. Understand? Now next question. Write the following symbolic statement in a words. Write the following symbolic statement in a words. How to write this? 4 upon 3 is a element of set Q, and Q is a set of rational number. So 4 by 3 is a rational number. Means we write this 4 by 3 is a element of set Q. Here we give a set N. N is a natural number set. But here we give a value minus 2. But minus 2 is not a natural number. So we write here minus 2 is not a element of set N. Okay. And third one is what? P is a set of all P such that P is an odd number. P is a set of all P such that P is an odd number. Means P is equal to odd numbers. Which are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5 and 7. Okay. Next question. Question number 3. Write any two set by a listing method and by rule method. By listing method, first, set of all days of a week. All days of a week. We denote the set name by a capital letter W. And days of the week, which are that? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Next question is what? Set of even number between 11 to 20. Here we write set name by capital letter A in curly bracket. Even number between 11 to 20. Which are that? 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. These are the even numbers between 11 to 20. Next, by rule method, we have to write two sets by a rule method. Set of multiple of a 5 which is less than 30. Set of multiple of 5 means we write set name by a letter H. X. Set of H is a set of all X such that X is a multiple of 5 which is less than 30. And next is what? Set of odd numbers between 1 to 10 means Q X is a odd number between 1 to 10 means odd number between 1 to 10. Last question of this exercise is question number 4. Write the following set using a listing method. First question is what? All months in the Indian solar year. All months in the Indian solar year. So we write name by capital letter Y. Which are the months? Which are that months? Chaitra, Vaishakh, Jyeshtha, Ashadh, Shravan, Bhadra, Ashwin, Kartik, Margashirsh, Magh and Falgun. All months in the Indian solar year. आपण हे मंथ्स लिहिलेत. Y इज इक्वल टू इन कर्ली ब्रॅकेट चैत्र, वैशाख, ज्येष्ठ, आषाढ, श्रावण, भाद्रपद, अश्विन, कार्तिक, मार्गशीर्ष, पौष हा आपला लिहायचा राहिला होता. पौष, माघ आणि फाल्गुन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हॉट? लेटर्स इन द वर्ड कॉम्प्लिमेंट. कॉम्प्लिमेंट या शब्दातील अक्षरं आता आपल्याला इथे लिहायची आहेत. आपण लेटर सेटचं नाव कॅपिटल एलने लिहूया आणि हे लेटर्स लिहिताना एकाच वेळी लिहायची, डबल लिहायची नाही. सो फर्स्ट लेटर इज C O M P L E N T. यामध्ये M हे डबल लेटर आहे, ई सुद्धा डबल आहे, त्यामुळे ते एकदाच लिहायचं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हॉट? सेट ऑफ ह्युमन सेन्सरी ऑर्गन. ह्युमन सेन्सरी ऑर्गन विच आर दॅट? eyes, ear, nose, skin and tongue. म्हणजे डोळा, कान, नाक, त्वचा आणि जीभ हे ह्युमन सेन्सरी ऑर्गन्स आहेत. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सेट ऑफ प्राइम नंबर फ्रॉम 1 to 20. प्राइम नंबर्स 1 to 20. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. These are the prime number between 1 to 20. And fifth one question is what? Name of continent of the world. Which are that? Name of continent of the world. Which are that? Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, Antarctica, South America and North America. These are the name of the continent of the world. Okay.